Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best movie butter is probably one of the most divisive yet beloved snacks in the movie-going experience. Some people can't get enough of its buttery, salty goodness, while others find it too artificial or too rich. But what makes a truly great movie theater butter? Today, we're diving deep into the world of movie butter, exploring different brands, comparing textures, and ultimately crowning the best of the best. Number 5. Snappy Butter Burst Popcorn Kit. Introducing the Snappy Butter Burst Popcorn Kit. It lets you create the same delicious, buttery popcorn you love from the movies, right in your own kitchen. This kit uses the same high-quality butter oil found in movie theaters. Get ready for an explosion of rich, buttery flavor with every kernel. It's a unique blend of soybean oil, Snappy's special butter flavor, and beta-carotene. This combination creates that signature buttery taste. The included theater salt boasts unsurpassed moisture resistance. It sticks perfectly to every piece of popcorn for even flavor distribution. We use riboflavin for color instead of artificial yellow. Number 5. Enjoy a delicious and high-quality treat, made with the finest ingredients. It's easy to make, tastes amazing, and is the perfect addition to your next movie night. Get your Snappy Butter Burst Kit today. What we like? It provides that authentic movie theater popcorn taste in the comfort of your home, thanks to its special butter flavor and high-quality salt. If you're looking for a convenient and delicious way to enjoy movie popcorn without artificial colors, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for families who want a fun and easy movie night experience. Number 4. Orville REDENBACHER'S Popcorn Oil. Get that classic movie theater popcorn taste without leaving your house. It's the perfect addition to your popcorn night. This pack comes with 6 16-ounce bottles of delicious buttery popcorn oil. That's a lot of popcorn. It's the ideal complement to Orville REDENBACHER'S popcorn kernels, creating a truly irresistible snack. This rich, buttery oil ensures your popcorn pops up light and fluffy every time. Say goodbye to tough kernels. Whether you use a hot air popper or stovetop popper, it'll help you create the perfect batch of popcorn. Experience the rich, buttery flavor that will have you reaching for more. It's simply the best. What we like? This is a cost-effective way to get that signature movie theater popcorn taste at home. It's perfect for large families or frequent popcorn makers. If you are looking for a great value and love making large batches of popcorn, this is the one for you. What people say? Tastes buttery and the quality is good. Came with the cap wrap to prevent any leakage, so that was a nice added packaging touch. Good size as to what fits in a kitchen cupboard without taking up too much space. Doesn't stick to your pans when making stovetop popcorn. Easy to use and allows for easy and quick popcorn popping in a pot on the stove. No noticeable oil taste on the popcorn, unless it is there, and making stovetop popcorn taste so much better than microwave popcorn. Good quality, freshness, and light for popcorn. Mist popcorn oils are too greasy, thick, and saturated. This product tastes better. Number 3. Snappy Butter Burst Popcorn Oil. Get ready for the ultimate movie night experience. This oil delivers a rich, buttery flavor that will make your popcorn irresistible. It's the same delicious oil used in movie theaters, ensuring a taste that's both familiar and exceptional. Enjoy that classic popcorn flavor at home. It's naturally colored with beta-carotene, the same pigment found in carrots. This means you get beautiful golden kernels without any artificial color or preservatives. No melting needed. It's ready to pour and use straight from the container at room temperature. It's that easy. Keep it at room temperature, even after opening. It's convenient and always ready when you are. With 1 gallon, you'll have plenty of oil for countless nights of movie-worthy popcorn. Enjoy. What we like? It offers a rich, buttery flavor that's perfect for enhancing your popcorn. It's incredibly convenient because there's no melting or refrigeration required. If you value convenience and a consistently delicious popcorn experience, this is your best bet. What people say? With this oil and a stirring stovetop popper, I'm making popcorn just like at the movies. Works great for popping and flavorful as a topping, and a great value. Makes the best popcorn. I use it with a microwave silicone popper also purchased here, and it tastes as good as the best movie popcorn you ever had. You just need the seasoning salt as well, but this gives it that greasy buttery feel and taste. Number 2. Winona Pure Popcorn Spray. It's 100% pure, delivering a rich, buttery taste without any dairy, additives, or GMOs. Get ready to experience movie theater flavor at home. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals. Enjoy delicious flavor without the guilt of extra calories or fat. This spray lets you recreate that classic movie theater popcorn experience in your own kitchen. It's the perfect addition to your movie night. It's not just for popcorn. Use it on vegetables, baked potatoes, chicken, and more. The possibilities are endless. Each bottle is the perfect size for multiple uses, making it an economical choice for all your popcorn and cooking needs. Stock up and enjoy. Experience the rich, buttery taste of Winona Pure Popcorn Butter Spray. It's the perfect way to elevate your snacks and meals. What we like? It's a healthier alternative to traditional popcorn butter, perfect for those watching their calorie and fat intake. It's also incredibly versatile, going beyond popcorn to enhance the flavor of various dishes. If you are health conscious but still crave that movie theater taste, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. I use it on more than just popcorn. I also use it to add an intense butter flavor to pan-grilled onions, pasta, rice, and veggies, etc. I use it instead of, or in addition to my must-refrigerate butter spray and my other go-to, Molly McButter flavor sprinkles to add a buttery taste to assorted foods. It has a great buttery salt flavor and perfect for small batches of popcorn. As a spray, it keeps me from dirtying more dishes and from butting too much butter on when a few shots mixed in will do the job. I never imagined I would come across a butter spray that truly lived up to its claims, but this one absolutely does. It has completely transformed how we enjoy our popcorn at home. The flavor is rich and delicious. Number 1. Kernel Seasons Popcorn Oil. Get ready for the ultimate movie night experience at home. This delicious butter-flavored oil is perfect for making popcorn that tastes just like your favorite theater. It's made with a 100% natural blend of oils and butter flavor, so you can enjoy guilt-free deliciousness. Indulge in a big bowl of popcorn without the guilt. Each serving has only 120 calories. With 28 generous servings per jar, it's perfect for sharing with family and friends or enjoying all by yourself. It's certified gluten-free and kosher, making it a great option for everyone to enjoy. This popcorn oil is proudly made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. What we like? It provides a delicious, all-natural movie theater popcorn experience with a focus on quality ingredients. It offers a large number of servings, making it ideal for sharing. If you prioritize natural ingredients and want a great value, this is a fantastic choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.